I don't smell Cheerios.
We're in Buffalo, New York, and what is there to do here? Well, you can always go on a Buffalo wing tour, and that's what we're doing today. We're going to a bunch of different iconic Buffalo wing stops. Oh my God. We're going to a bunch of different iconic Buffalo wing stops to determine which is the absolute best in Buffalo. Let's start right here. We are starting here at Duff's, our first stop in our Buffalo wing tour.
It's 1946.
Okay, I love this. They gave us our own little water pitcher, and Joey got a, what is it called, Joey?
A Labatt.
A Labatt Canadian beer. Also, they have on the table Duff's chicken salt. It's their own chicken salt. We're gonna have to make Joey try it. Made in Buffalo, New York. Made in small batches. Here's the menu, by the way. Joey only got 5 wings for some reason. 5 wings are $10, and you can get the different sauces. The medium is hot, and the hot is very, very hot. Okay, here are Joey's medium 5 wings. I love this bucket so much. Born in Buffalo, 1946 Duff's for all the bones. And then here's mine. I asked for them plain with the mild on the side. When in Rome, I'm gonna do as Romans do. Like, I can't not. You know, so let's try it. So hot. These are really, really good. Yeah, they're really good. Let's try the mild. It was like nice and crispy and hot. When we tried the wings at Sherwood's, I didn't like them.
No?
No.
That's like the best ones we got.
Yeah, no. Okay. Even the sauce. No, mine. Yeah. Krystal Palace approved.
Wow.
Let's see Joey Palace's experience over here.
Eyes got that little watering in them because of the heat.
Wait, you got them medium, right? Hot?
You got a little kick to them, yeah? In a good way.
Good.
In a very good way.
We'll rate them at the end.
Man, that's a good win.
3 down. Joey just said, I've never seen you eat a wing. It's so true. These are fire. I gotta say, I'm not good at cleaning the wing. Joey is good at cleaning the wing. Of course, after wings, crush nap time. Joey Palace wing counter is at 7.
I
Feeling
have
good?
to do some cleanup duty on there, so I'm counting 2 extra.
You feeling good?
Yeah, I feel great.
All right, Joey, thoughts on Duff's? Not to be confused with the Simpsons Duff's.
It definitely rose above expectations. Doing some reading, I know Duff's is like the OG place, but people say maybe it feels more franchise now. They have a bunch of different locations, so I think we made sure to go to the right one. We're on Sheridan Ave, I believe. When they came out, I mean, we haven't had buffalo wings before in terms of like being in Buffalo. So optically looking, I was like, okay, this looks great. And then I took my first bite. I was like, okay, that tastes great. And then I told Krystal, why can't they do this where we live? Why can't they just make a nice, good buffalo wing? Because we're not in Buffalo.
Oh, wow,
but now we are. So I said the sauce was great. It was like so buttery and good. The wing was nice and crispy.
It was really good. It was really crispy. The meat was delicious.
Had a lot of meat. But if people are saying that this is like franchisey and now there's other spots, I'm so excited to go try other spots.
So our rankings will be at the end of this video, so stay tuned.
But I'm not taking anything away from Duff's. Great wing.
No, it was great. And it was very cute in there. Nice vibe. Let's go on to the next. Adolf's Wings review.
You go first.
It took extremely long. I think they were down to cook, but still, it took like 40 minutes to get the wings. And I don't think it was worth 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes later, our food has finally arrived. Chunky homemade blue cheese right over here. Sounds crispy.
It is crispy.
And we also got some pierogies to try.
It was more like 36 minutes, but either way, it was extremely long compared to when we had just come from Buffs and it took, or Duff's, I'm thinking of Buffalo. It took about 5 minutes there. So there's definitely a major difference, and I will say, when the wings came out, it wasn't like they were steaming hot either. It kind of felt like, because we had ordered a side dish, maybe they were waiting on that potentially, and the wings were just kind of on the shelf. So would have liked to see them a little bit more like crispier and hotter. The flavor, it wasn't, I ordered medium, maybe like a little bit hotter would have been more preferred. That could have been on me. They were definitely medium, like they didn't get too spicy. But the blue cheese was way better than anything that we've had. It had like nice clumps of big blue cheese.
Another 7 wings for Joey. Complete. Duff's was my pick so far, but we still have a few more places to go.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's do it.
If you know me, you know that I am the queen of Cheerios, okay? I have it every single morning, all the time. I'm always eating Cheerios. I have it for snacks. Now, I've been hearing for years, Buffalo smells like Cheerios, Buffalo smells like Cheerios, Buffalo smells like Cheerios.
I don't smell no Cheerios, I'm not gonna lie.
Look where we are. We are here at General Mills. Here is where Cheerios are created. I don't smell Cheerios. Yes, Cheerios do have a smell.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. My mom always says they smell like burning rubber. Well, you know what, Joey? I have a way to test it out. I feel like I'm being called home. Oh my gosh, look at the Lucky Charm guy. That's great. You gotta pull in there. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I smell Lucky Charms!
I smell
them! Oh my god! Okay, this is insane. Every now and then you get like a really big whiff of it. Yeah. They have this like nice billboard here. I can't believe it. And they're definitely cooking, because do you hear that? That's amazing. Wow. Now I don't smell it anymore, but I smelled it so strong when the wind was blowing. That's insane. Oh my gosh, Cheerios, my home. I can't believe I'm at the birthplace of Cheerios right now. Yeah, I think General Mills kind of has its own like island.
There's railway that connects to the
Go that way.
factory.
Oh my gosh, they bring trains loads of Cheerios in. This is where the magic happens, people. Right here, my Cheerio factory. Well, I guess if you get a good gust of wind, yeah, that can travel, you know? It definitely depends on the wind. Well, we tried to go here, the 9/11 Tavern, and there's a sign that says it's closed. See you next week.
What are the odds of that?
What are the odds? So
They just decided to take the week off?
no, we can't go there. It's Memorial Day too.
Maybe
that's why. Our next stop, Joey, where are we?
Snyder's Bar and Grill.
So now this is a Buffalo native recommended place. We're meeting up with some friends because
Who grew up here?
We were disoriented after that 9/11 Tavern closed, because that was really hyped for us. So let's try this place out. Now this has a really cute, family-friendly atmosphere during the day, and apparently is a really fun bar at night.
Thought it was just a nice quality wing. They did this barbecue style too, charbecue, where they finish it on the grill. So we got 20 of the hot wings and then 10 barbecue finished on the grill. Personally, I like the barbecue a little bit better. Here's the barbecue ones compared to the hot. Then the regular standard hot, but there was nothing wrong with the nice hot wing. And also shout out to their chicken tenders, which were pretty phenomenal. Yeah, I got the chicken tenders and they were just so different tasting. They weren't like your average, just tons of breading chicken tender. It was very, very delicious. Next place we went to was Brunner's Tavern. Had just a very lively like bar. We got just the straight hot wings finished on the grill, and those probably had the best flavor out of the 4 stops that we went. Best flavoring, I would say, came from Brunner's. Now, was the wing itself the best? I don't know. I don't think it was the best that we had, but the flavor of it was on point. So definitely would go back there and also try some more of their food. One of our friends got the beef on weck there, and that looked really good as well.
Now, we didn't get to go to the 9/11 Tavern or Bar Bill's, but next time if we're ever in Buffalo again, those are the two that we would definitely stop at. I feel like we did a Philly cheesesteak tour in Philly, and the best place, Angelo's, was closed unexpectedly too, and the same thing happened to us here in Buffalo. 9/11 Tavern was closed unexpectedly. It literally just had like a printer paper with a handwriting sign that said closed, see you next week. So when in Rome, you have to do as Romans do. Yeah, Timbits. Honey. Oh, good. We had these when we were banned. Those are really good. Nice and sweet. We are here at Ted's Hot Dogs because we heard this is a Buffalo staple and we're gonna be trying it out. All right, we're here at Ted's famous hot dogs here in Buffalo. They serve this certain kind, Salins, that are apparently the best around. This looks like a Boston market. Okay, here are our hot dogs. This one is mine, regular. Joey is digging into his hamburger.
Oh my God.
It's good.
It's hot.
Which one is the all beef one? This one? Okay, so we got an all beef to try, regular, and that's it, right? What's special about these is that they were cooked over hardwood charcoal, and they have Dr. Pepper.
Ready?
Also, we're in wedding attire because we just went to a wedding, so. Hot.
Yeah.
But very good. I like that. Okay, Ted's was really good. Exactly what I needed between the church and the reception. Joey, what did you think?
I got a triple decker burger and it was delicious. And I liked the regular dog more than the all beef dog.
And I liked the vibe in there. It was very like hot dog chill. It was. I liked.
It was hot dog chill vibe.
I liked the atmosphere in there a lot too. So Krystal Palace approved. Okay, live from our friend's wedding, we are trying sponge cake for the very first time.
You have to have the inaugural bite.
Wait, sponge candy. Sponge candy. I keep
Not
calling it
sponge,
Watson's chocolate.
SpongeBob.
Watson's chocolate. Here we go.
You try.
This is dark chocolate one. I'm so excited they had this as their favor. Thank you so much, Tom and Amanda, because we were gonna stop. Because our friend Reed, do you want to be in the video? Yeah. Our friend Reed is a Buffalonian and told us that we need to get this. So let's do it.
Whoa! You hear that sound?
What is it?
Is it good?
It's like sand.
It looks, I'm telling you, it looks like peanut butter.
Oh no!
What happened?
Oh no!
Probably has it all over her tooth.
No, just wait for it. Wait.
Oh my God, it does look like.
Wait.
Oh, that's quite nice. I like that.
It's weird, but it's good. The chocolate is very good.
Yeah, the wafer like dissolves. Very
Yeah.
nice, Reed.
Very nice, Reed. Good job, Reed. Woo! Now, what are the official Krystal Palace Buffalo Wings ratings? Here we go.
So out of the 4 stops that we went,
Official Krystal Palace ratings are
number 1, Duff's. Now we said this. The locals in Buffalo seem to, or the one that we spoke to, said that his mom used to work at Duff's, but now they've kind of franchised out. But I don't know. We went in there. We were in and out in like 25 minutes. Service was great. The wings were great. They had a lot of sauce, which I liked on the wings. It was like nice and buttery. They had a good crunch and they were hot. In terms of like when, like it seemed like they just came out of the fryer. So really like Duff's. Number 2, I would go with Brunner's. Like I said, the flavoring on point, good atmosphere. Number 3, I would go Snyder's Bar and Grill. I would get the barbecue wing finished on the grill. That was definitely a hit, and that just seemed like a nice kind of bar to hang out with your friends. And then number 4 would be Adolf's. The wings came out a little bit cold, so that would be the 4 right now. that we've tried, but we know that there's plenty more to go.
Oh yeah, so let us know in the comments what's your favorite buffalo wing spot. Thank you for watching. We had a great time trying all these places and we are absolutely full. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.